In other news, a judge has decided to uphold the license suspension that closed a Chattanooga migrant children facility. The 30-page ruling reveals new information about the abuse allegations involving staff members that ultimately led to the closing. Mary Frances Hoots is live in the studio with more.
Well, David, as outlined in the document, the decision came down to the health, safety, and welfare of the children. The judge sided with DCS, agreeing emergency action was needed to suspend the facility's license after the allegations, and the corrective action the facility had taken did not eliminate that danger to the children. After hearing testimony and reviewing evidence, Judge Philip Hilliard ruled that he will not allow the Baptiste Group to operate in Chattanooga pending further proceedings.
In one sense, I'd have to say I disagree with the judge because the hearing was not open.
Hilliard closed the July 7th hearing between the state and the Baptiste Group to the public. The judge's 30-page ruling reveals what new information was uncovered in that hearing. The facility completed a significant incident report on May 20th, stating employee Randy Duarte had been seen kissing a 17-year-old male. Both denied the allegations. Duarte was placed on leave. That same day, the document says the facility reported those details to the DCS Child Abuse Hotline. DCS claimed the language in the report did not meet the criteria for further investigation, and the report was screened out. The Baptiste Group conducted a 2-week internal investigation, which resulted in Duarte going back to work. DCS made an unannounced visit to the facility June 3rd, where a child alleged he saw a resident and staff member kissing. This allegation was against a different employee. Both Duarte and the other employee were placed on leave the next day. The other employee was terminated June 5th. The minor Duarte is alleged to be involved with has been discharged to a family member. DCS went to his home to conduct an interview June 8th. The minor said Duarte had visited him at his home. At some point, this minor has turned 18. Duarte was terminated June 11th, 3 weeks after the initial allegation. DCS has not had the opportunity to interview the minor involved in the abuse allegation from June 3rd. The Baptiste Group has since updated their safety policies, including hiring another layer of management, updating room check policies, and updating hiring processes. DCS was advised that all the kids left the facility on June 22nd. The court document says there were 35 kids there at the time. Half of them were sent to other facilities, and the other half were released to sponsors. Federal agencies that have inquired about these allegations include the Department of Health and Human Services, Homeland Security, the Department of Justice, and the FBI.